Hi everyone, I'm Gino.
Hey class, this is Daniel.
This is V.
Michael here.
Yeah.
So today we're making Kalua Pork Sliders with the Asian slaw and a little barbecue drizzle. So we're gonna go through it and make it happen and let you guys see what we're doing.
Right.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay.
So I'm gonna prepare the slaw that's gonna go on top of the sliders. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna do some lime juice right here. We're gonna take some sesame oil, and also we have juice from the pickled ginger that we're gonna use a little bit of that. And what I'm doing now is I'm gonna emulsify this, pretty much make a dressing for the slaw. So to do that, you have to slowly drizzle the oil in, so it blends in with all the citrus and all the sugar and all that good stuff. You can see it's kind of thickening up, and that's what emulsifying is. You're not just pouring oil in the stuff where you're just gonna sit on top, you're blending it in. Once that's done, we're gonna put in the chopped pickled ginger, green onions, and some cilantro. We got some red cabbage, some carrots, and some green cabbage we're gonna put in. I'm gonna put some sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds. And then now we're just gonna mix it. Make sure everything gets coated. It gets happy. Okay, so this is the slaw that's gonna be going inside the sliders with the Kalua pork. That's done. So the next step is the Kalua pork, which is pretty much a pork butt with Hawaiian salt, a liquid smoke, and it's wrapped in a banana leaf, and it's braised for 6 hours inside a banana leaf, which gives it the earthiness and kind of try to make it taste like if you went to Hawaii and ate Kalua pork, which is a pig that they put underground and they put hot coals on top and let it sit for overnight. So this is a kind of a cheating way to do it, but it tastes just as good. So here we go. This is the banana leaf with the pork. I'll take the bone out, which you know it's good when it just comes out like that. Put this in the recycle bin here. And then the way we're gonna do this is just shred it. And when it's the 6 hours of braising makes it so tender that it just falls apart, fork tender. There we go. So it's kind of like pulled pork, except it's made with Hawaiian salt, simple, and banana leaf, so it gives it a nice flavor.
Here you can see our lovely little assembly line while we put together our beautiful sliders. They really are fun and easy to make, and great for parties, so we hope you enjoy them. We used Hawaiian rolls here, but I'll show you can use whatever bread you like. Size it up to hamburger buns, or even a nice long roll like this one we used to take some more to go.
All right, here's our final product, Kalua Pork Sliders with Asian slaw. Get ready for some taste sensation.
Thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed our sliders and enjoyed the video, because we had so much fun putting it together for you guys. Alright, have a good one.